Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. Today we are going to do the last part of this block, the last lesson in 17th block. This is 17.4, reducing pollution. All through this block we learnt that how the environment is getting polluted due to the human activities. Today we will learn how we can reduce pollution. What can we do to reduce pollution, right? So the best idea to reduce pollution we can see on the screen, that is planting trees. We all know that trees are our green friends. They purify the air. So by planting trees we can reduce pollution to an extent. So let us learn other means of reducing pollution, right? So let's move on and learn more. We already know about environmental pollution. Today we will learn about ways to reduce pollution. So we will be needing content book, worksheet, notebook. The keyword recycle means to put used paper, glass or plastic through a process so that it can be used again. So what are we going to do for the activity? Okay, each group in our class, okay, you will be divided into different groups. Each group will write something about one type of pollution. Okay, make a set of 8 or 10 rules to reduce the type of pollution you got. So your social teacher, that is your VIJAYA teacher, she will divide you into groups and each group will get a topic like air pollution or noise pollution, right, or water pollution. Depending upon your topic, you are going to write 8 or 10 rules about how to reduce that pollution. Okay, so one of you will write down 8 of the best rules and share them with the class, right? Every group you are going to write it, make posters, and you also are going to share it with your class, right? Let's move on and watch this video.
Reduce pollution, To reduce pollution, we should stop using plastic. Stop bursting firecrackers. Stop burning garbage. Stop throwing waste in water bodies. Avoid loudspeakers. And avoid honking unnecessarily.
Right, so that video will be very useful to us in making the rules, right? Writing down the rules. What should we do to reduce air, water and noise pollution? We must avoid throwing garbage in water bodies. We must stop plastic and bursting firecrackers. We should use environment friendly fuel. We should recycle things. Okay, so once again, we must avoid throwing garbage in water bodies. We must stop using plastic and bursting firecrackers. We should use environment friendly fuel. We should recycle things, right? So have a look at this. Stop using plastic, avoid honking, start carpooling, stop bursting firecrackers, stop burning waste, use environment friendly fuel, stop dumping waste in water bodies, start recycling. These are some rules which you can write it as a slogan to reduce pollution, right? So let's move on. Why should we reduce pollution in the environment? Polluted air and water can make us ill. Pollution also affects animals. Pollution harms the environment. What are some problems towards reducing environmental pollution? So, okay, all of us will try to reduce the pollution, but we'll be facing some problems. Can you name some? Environment friendly products may be expensive for a lot of people, right? Environmental friendly means which cause less pollution. They might be expensive. They might be costly. Many people may not be aware of environmental pollution. Many people, they don't realize what are the effects of their activities, okay, which lead to pollution. Many people don't know, they don't have that idea. We should spread this knowledge to them. Okay, now all of you open your worksheet, put today's date. So 17.4, reducing pollution. First question, 4 pictures are given. I'll read the question first, then we'll observe the pictures. Which of these can be harmed by environmental pollution? Take the correct pictures. Okay, among the 4 pictures, which things get harmed by the pollution? Okay, damage. Okay, which things are affected by the pollution? Car? No. Fish? Yes, fish is an aquatic animal. Aquatic animals are getting like they are affected by the water pollution. We all know that. Okay, the plastic gets into their body and it chokes the aquatic animals, right? Even impure water also, it leads to the death of aquatic animals. So fish is getting harmed. Put a tick to fish. Dogs are also, like, they are victims for noise pollution, as we discussed in the class, right? Dogs get nervous and scared when there are very big sounds, too loud sound. Okay, so even dog is also harmed. Put a tick under the dog. The third picture is water bodies. Yes, because of pollution, water bodies are also getting polluted, right? The chemical waste enters the water bodies. It also makes the water dirty and we can't drink that. So leave the car, fish, dog and water bodies you tick. Now second question, write one way in which you can stop to reduce air, water and noise pollution in your neighborhood and in your school. Neighborhood means the houses, the places around your house. That is your neighborhood. School, you know. In neighborhood, how are you going to stop air pollution? What you can do for air pollution? In neighborhood, we can ask people to plant trees. We can put up boards, right? Placards that stop air pollution, that kind. In school, we can plant more trees and we can put placards and we can also write slogans, right? Next, noise pollution in neighborhood, you can like explain the effects of noise pollution, right? And in school also, should not shout or make noise which will disturb others, right? In neighborhood water pollution, what can we do? We should ask people not to put dump garbage into the water bodies. In school also, we should see that the water is kept clean and pure, right? So this is the second question. Now we move to the third one. Write about 1 or 2 difficulties in reducing environmental pollution, right? When we ask people to buy environmental friendly products, they might say that they are costlier, right? More expensive. That is one problem. When we are explaining that you should not honk unnecessarily or should not play loud music and disturb others, some people might be stubborn, right? So people, it's hard convincing people. It is not easy. So write about these 2 things. Environmental friendly products might be expensive. Second point, convincing people to reduce pollution is not easy, right? Let's move on to the content book and complete that. All of you open content book, put today's date. Very easy questions. First one, match the causes with the pollution. Causes are on the left side and effect, what type of pollution will it lead to, are on the right side. Throwing garbage in the river, draw a line from the river to water pollution, right? Throwing garbage in river causes water pollution. Burning plastic causes air pollution. Playing loud music causes noise pollution. Second question, write true or false. A1, smoking cigarettes can cause breathing problems. True. TRUE, true. Some students are writing TF, not like that. You should write the complete word. TRUE, true. FALSE, false. Okay, A1 is true. B1, throwing garbage in the river leads to air pollution. No, that should have been water pollution, no? So B1, false. C1, talking loudly and shouting can lead to noise pollution. True. TRUE, true. Third one, how does throwing garbage in the dustbin reduce water pollution? We already discussed that many people are dumping the garbage waste into the river bodies. People should not do like that. They have to use the dustbin or garbage bin. When people use the garbage bins and dustbins to dispose waste, then we won't have any garbage in the river bodies. So we can bring down the water pollution to a great extent, right? Thank you. Do read the lesson twice, underline important words, complete your work in time. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.